Hey everyone, welcome to Technical Voice. So far, we have created the build pipeline, we have created the release pipeline, we have seen that how to automate our deployment from our Azure repos to Azure app services. So this is pretty much enough to know about how to create our pipelines and how to automate the releases. This is good for monolithic applications and for small application, also for some large applications. But nowadays, developers are working in different environment. They are using Kubernetes, they are using Docker Hub, they are using Azure Container Registries or whatever hub for for dockerize your application. So in this video I'll briefly talk about the Docker container and images and Azure Container Registry, and also we will create the Azure Container Registry on the Azure portal. And in the next video I'll show you how to automate or how to create the Docker image through our pipeline and upload it onto the Azure Container Registry through our pipeline. So if we talk about the Azure the Docker, so the Docker container is nothing, it's just and you can say isolated area where you can run your application in an isolated environment, and you can create a Docker image for your application, whatever your application is it on the .NET or is it on Java, Python, whatever they is. I will attach a video in description where you can see that how to create a Docker image of the .NET application and how you can upload to the Azure Container Registry manually. In the next video we will automate it, but you can see the video in the description how to create the Docker image for the .NET application, and also how to upload the Docker image to the Azure Container Registry. And Azure Container Registry is just like a repository, like a Docker Hub, where you can store or you can manage your container images, and you can use it to deploy your application on Azure Kubernetes or wherever you want. Okay, so let's flip to Azure portal and create the container registry. So for this, just search the container registries, hit on create, and select the subscription and resource group and registry name, let's say Technical Voice, and the location, and that's it. And review and create, and create. So it will create the Azure Container Registry where we can store our container images. Okay, so it is being created. So it will take some time, a very a minor time. So that's all about this video. In the next video I'll show you that how to create or automate your application to a Docker image and upload into the Azure Container Registry. Okay, so it's done. And if I go to the resources, so you can see that our container registry is ready. And if we go to the repositories, as you can see, currently we don't have any image. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye bye.